Hello guys, I'm Tiago Gomes, the creator of Hellphior games, and today we are here for the number six, the devlog number six of Water Polo. I have a lot of changes to show you, changes that I've made on the game, and as you can see on the game scene, there are many of their changes. So let's get started with playing the game, and I will show you what I've done so far. It's easier like that. So I need to say it's again, thank you all of you patrons that are still supporting and helping. It's really important for me, so thank you. So we have the loading menu. This is still the same, and one thing that I have new here is the Champions League tournament. So there are going to be 32 teams, and these are the teams that I'm going to use here are going to be the national teams. Okay, so we are going to have probably national teams on the game, because I don't need to talk with no one to use the national team, and to use the flags of the national teams. So I think it's easier for me, and I think it's better. So for sure, in here, of course, it's not gonna be called Champions League. I need to call it something else. But we are going to have for sure national teams on exhibition. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna um, if I'm gonna still use the emblems of the teams, because I need to ask for permission to do that, and I don't think it's something easier to do. I can try. I can try if everyone wants that, but for now, when I launch the game, I probably am gonna use the national team's flags. Okay, but okay. So I started creating the tournament game mode, but I stopped because I tried to do something else. I tried to do something else, and you'll see. So I changed a lot of things on the game and on a game. So this is still the same, and we choose teams, and you see that there are a lot of difference here. We have. I'm gonna pause just to show you. We have. How can I start? So the field, as you can see, is now a pool that I've created. It's not the pool attached to this bench, um, to this stadium bench. I created this pool. I think it's fine like that. And we have this referee stand, or I don't know if it's just show um, to show who supports the game, or if I'm gonna have a referee here. I want to do that, and I want to do, like, I want to put people here shouting and stuff, but for now I'm gonna leave like that. You have, of course, Hellphior Games logo and the game logo, and the water is different here. I applied, I did some tricks on Photoshop, and yeah, that's it. We have the ropes here just to, because before we have no ropes, and there was like a collider, invisible collider, when the ball was here, was going back to the field, and I want to make sure that this makes sense. So I have something here to make that job. We have the same ropes in here supporting the scoreboard. I had I created a scoreboard, and you probably saw it on my Instagram, but I changed it like yesterday night. I was working, and I changed it because I think it's better like this. It was first, it was too big. It was something like this, very very big. I don't know if I still have it, so let me see if I can show you my Instagram. Wait. So I changed it to this, and I think it's nice. It's fine like that. Yeah, I have it here on my Instagram, I think. So yeah. So so the scoreboard was like this, as you can see here, and I changed it to something just a little bit long but smaller, you understand? And so I had the flag team, this was here, and then the goal, the time. So it was too big too, and I changed it, and I think it's very nice like that. And I choose the same colors as the logo, just to match a little bit. I don't know, it's fine. We still have no audience, so maybe when I put the audience, I will change the colors of this probably. But for now, it's like this. We have the pull rope. Of course, on water polo there are marks, 5 meter marks, 6 meter marks, the middle of the field marks. But I don't think it's necessary to put in here on the game. Maybe I'll do it. I don't know, but I think to have a rope it's fine to have just the rope. And I will change this rope because it's the same in all the place, but I need to change it this to make a view more perfect. So I want to put like this seems like it's going there, and I don't want to. It seems like we are watching from the left, you understand? And I want to make sure that we are looking forward, and we have the these ball ropes looking forward. So I need to change it a little bit, but it's fine for now, and it makes the job. And I put the buttons a little more centered. I think it's better right there. And the ball now looks like it's inside the water, so the collider of the ground is like this. I think you can see. Yeah, you can see my mouse. So it's a little bit like here. It's a little bit more down, just to make that illusion. Of course, I'm gonna try to make particles and sounds, but for now, that's like this. So let me play just to show you. And there's another thing. I finally find out something good for the AI. When the ball is behind, I created a collider that makes the ball jump. So the ball, when he's behind him, is gonna go up, and then he can head the ball. So I think it's better, but I think I will change all the script of the AI, because it's not like our player moves and shoots like I want every time, but the AI, it's like it's not working fine when it's on PC. Like it's not the same when it's playing on a PC, when it's playing on a phone. So I need to change a lot of things on AI. It's something that I have to work on like fast. But yeah, so let's play a little bit just to show you how it's working so far. Oh yeah, and I have a new goal. A new goal. Oh, why there's something on the ball. Well, I don't know. Oh, and a ball comes in front of this. That was something that I was trying to do too, but it's going behind the buttons. So yeah. And we have a new goal celebration, as you saw. I think it's a little bit better. The colors are not the perfect ones for now, I think, but at least it's working fine. So yeah. And of course, we can go inside the goal, and we are in the middle of the post. That was something that I worked on, and so we have the colliders of the bar, the crossbar, a little bit better. So let's end this game just to show you more. Let me see if I can put the ball. Yeah, as you can see, the ball looks like is on the rope. It's fine now. And we won. Yes. So just to show you, I changed a little bit, but I think on the last devlog I showed you already. But that's how the full-time panel looks like for now. So this is all the changes that I've done. It was a little bit of work, but yeah, it was good. So I started working on the tournament game mode, but I stopped because I wanted to make sure that the stuff that I've done so far on the game are looking better. And I changed the body, so there was a line here before, and there's no line anymore, so it's good. What can I show you more? I think that's it. I think I don't. So we have this Champions League scene as I show you, and I'm gonna put the national teams. I'm gonna put all the not all the flags, but some of the flags. One of my problems is what teams that I'm going to choose, but that's something that I have to figure it out. And I think that's it. I don't have more stuff to show you. Maybe I can show you the collider that I've created to the AI. So now, okay, of course, we have the body, and we have this check behind. This check behind, when the ball is in here, it's gonna make it go up. Let me see if I can. I think I can't do that because the head is too. Let me see. So where's the ball? Is here. Let me try to. Yeah, I don't know why when it starts it's going back all the time, but I don't understand why it's happening. So play. Wait, let me play. Just to show you here. Okay, when we go there. Oh whoa, is this okay? We put the ball behind. Let me see what he's doing now. Okay, as you can like, it's not working. Now it's too fast. You understand? The AI is not responding as I want. I don't know why. Now it's too fast and acting like a super fast bot. So there are many bugs with the AI still. I don't understand why. So I'm gonna try to watch more stuff, search more about AI. So that's something that I have to work next. And the audience. I want to work on the audience, make sounds, perfect sounds, and then I will do the tournament mode and stuff like that. So I want to make sure that this scene is perfect and is playable perfect, so we can have a demo fast. Okay, I want to make a demo fast so people can try it out fast. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching one more devlog. I hope it was interesting. Thank you, and I see you guys next Sunday. Bye bye.